How to file taxes without access to your W-2.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to tackle a common concern that many taxpayers face: what to do if you can't retrieve your old job's W-2 online. Yes, you can still file your taxes without an online W-2. Let's explore how you can manage this situation and ensure your tax filing is accurate and timely.
What is a W-2?
A W-2 is a form that an employer is required to send to their employees and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, at the end of each year. It reports the employee's annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from their paycheck. Your W-2 is critical for accurately preparing your tax return, as it provides essential information used to determine if you owe more tax or if you're due for a tax refund.
What if I can't retrieve my W-2 online?
Don't panic if you can't access your W-2 online. There are several steps you can take. 1. Reach out to your former employer. Ask them to provide a copy of your W-2. They may be able to send you a physical copy or email it to you. 2. Contact the IRS. If your former employer can't provide the W-2 or doesn't respond to your requests, you can contact the IRS. The IRS will need information like your employer's name, address, and phone number, along with your employment dates and an estimate of your wages and federal income tax withheld. The IRS will then reach out to your employer on your behalf and send you a Form 4852. 3. Use Form 4852. This is the substitute for Form W-2. If you don't receive your W-2 in time to file, you may use this form. It requires you to estimate your income and withholding taxes as accurately as possible. Remember, your last pay stub can help provide some of these figures.
How does filing without a W-2 affect my tax return?
Filing without a W-2 might make your tax filing process a bit more complex, but it doesn't mean you can't file accurately. It's crucial, however, to make your estimates as accurate as possible on Form 4852 to avoid potential penalties. If you receive your W-2 after filing with Form 4852 and the information differs, you may need to amend your tax return using Form 1040X. In conclusion, while not having access to your W-2 online may feel stressful, it's essential to remember that there are procedures in place to help you navigate this scenario. Always ensure your tax return is as accurate as possible, and when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional for help. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, tax season doesn't have to be taxing.